Now, the big thing with a skew is that people have the tool rest set too high, too low, or they have it too far back like this. So when they come in contact with the wood, it kicks on them. So I want to put this right about here as close as I can get it, which is right about there. Lay this on here. I want to be in the center of the skew and the center of the work. And the reason I'm using this, and again, start here. Here's A, the B is the bevel. It's like the ABCs, A, B, and as I raise my hand, it starts to cut. And there's the C. I'm going to take this straight across. Now, it's not going to kick back on me because I'm holding my thumb against it. If you look at this, you can see the difference between here and here. This is really smooth. I mean, I can start sanding this at 400 or even higher, honestly. And it doesn't make a difference if you have the toe up or the toe pointed down. And I prefer, honestly, the toe down. That's the way I just happen to learn. Nice and straight right across, and it's really smooth. I can come back in this direction, lay this on here, and look at the nice shavings you're getting off of there. Again, anchor this on here, put your bevel on, and as you raise your hand, it starts to cut. And I'm in the center of the work, and I'm in the center of the skew. And to learn, it should go both ways, left-handed and right-handed. And if you lay this on here like this, if you don't, it's going to kick on you. So I want to make sure I'm down like that and just work it straight across. Nice and easy that direction. Come back here. And look at the nice little wisp you're getting off of there. Perfect. So now I was going to take that all the way down, and this is really smooth. The big thing that people have a problem with the skew is that they engage the piece before having it on the tool rest and having your thumb right here. And so when I do that, it can't fit back on me, and it's going to give you these nice little wisps straight across. Just like that, nice and easy. I can come back in this direction and do the same thing. Nice and smooth. So again, anchor this on here, have your thumb pushing against it, and do that. And again, as a tip for using the skew, this works really well. And again, it doesn't make a difference if the point is up or the point is down. You're still going to hold against it, and you're going to get those nice little ribbons coming straight across, just like that. So that's how you use that tool.